So it's been a while since I've put up any content. I've just been busy all summer working on this and that. So now that the fall is rolling around, I've gone ahead and I've picked up a new project, which still is not here in my garage yet, but it will be here within the next couple weeks. So in the meantime, I've got a bunch of cleaning up to do because, as you can see, just looking like my bench over there, multiple motorcycles, just finished servicing my snow blower, picked up a couple new, well, new to me, I guess, AC units for free from a local place that was giving them away. Tools left on my lift, stuff like this. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to do a quick little tidy, and then I'm going to talk about the projects that I got coming up for you guys. So just as I'm taking these at the garage to get ready to clean it up, I'll show you this. This is something I picked up about a month or so ago now for the missus. It's a 2006 CRF 150F. So there's a few things. The thing runs fantastic. It's in great shape. It's had little use on it. But there are a few things that need to be cleaned up, like the pegs are, you know, dinged up, or a bit of rust on that need to be sandblasted and painted and stuff like that. So we'll get a couple project videos out of this. But for the time being, I'm just going to give it a quick fire so you can see how easy it fires up. Thing runs like a champ. You see, first flick of the button, anyway it goes. Runs fantastic. So I'm gonna flick that off and get my garage cleaned up. So as you probably saw earlier, and as I might have mentioned earlier, last month I went ahead and picked the missus up a nice little CRF 150F. It's a 2006. Fantastic condition. Like I said, it's, classic Honda motor, speaks for itself. So it's got a few things we're going to do on it over the winter. Things like cleaning up the pipe and getting those painted. Potentially new chain adjusters, getting our pegs and our levers cleaned up, potentially new clutch lever, new brake lever, clutch lever's kind of, the knob's cracked off. There's some small stuff like that. So on top of the couple things that I want to do with the CRF over the course of the winter, the other project, the main project that I picked up is a 1981 Honda Passport C70. Now here's a picture of it. I got my brother-in-law to pick it up because it's in central Newfoundland and I'm on the east coast of Newfoundland, so I got my brother-in-law to pick it up for me. 81 Passport C70, so it's got a 70cc motor with an electric start on it, registered for the road, blah blah blah. Currently not running. I don't think that's going to be a big issue for us to take care of once we get it here. I'm really looking forward to getting the bike here now because I want to get it apart. Well, we'll get the motor running first. Once that's running, we'll get it all apart and we'll start a restoration process. And hopefully after a month or two, we'll have a few good videos in a series of restoring this nice little bike. So, hopefully that's something you'll be interested in watching. And if so, keep an eye on your subscription feed. And I believe by this time next week, I should have the bike shipped out to here. And we should be ready to start working on it. Thanks for watching.